So if you've been in crypto for the last couple of days, then you know that DeFi has been the big buzzword that's in everybody's mouth in the whole industry. And I don't know if it's because people like Chico Crypto pointed out that former Coinbase employee Brian Brooks is now the Secretary of the Treasury, and he's mentioned DeFi in a bunch of his interviews, or if it's just because people are like, I want some of those gains. So I want some of those gains also, and I'm pretty excited that Brian Brooks is the Secretary of Treasury, because I'm just like, what? There's no doubt now in my mind that crypto is going somewhere that none of us could even imagine. So in this video, I'm going to talk about two coins that are kind of low on the radar in people's minds as far as DeFi goes, and I think they might have some big implications going forward. This is not financial advice. You should always do your own research, and you know me, I just point out the coins and you can go ahead and do your own research and find out if it's for you, because for me, I know I like to do my own research. So first, before we get into the two coins that I really like, the one coin that I'm gonna also point out in this video is an honorable mention. It's not a low cap gem whatsoever. It is the #1 coin in DeFi on DeFi Pulse, and that is the Maker token. Right now it's at $512. There's only a million of these coins. Bitcoin has 21 million. XRP has a freaking kabillion. You know what I mean? A lot of coins are never gonna reach this type of number because they have a lot of coins in circulation and they have a high total supply in general. But going back to Maker, I should say, the reason why I want to point out Maker to you guys is because, look, it's the #1 coin on DeFi Pulse, but the reason being is because it basically controls what happens with the DAI stablecoin, which is kind of one of the centerpieces of the whole DeFi ecosystem. Also, you know, Ethereum, you can't sleep on Ethereum, but we're not talking about Ethereum. We're talking about Maker, which is, in my opinion, this 500 million is going to be pretty damn high once people realize that Maker kind of controls a lot of stuff. So what does Maker do? What does Maker do? So Maker is the governance token of DAI. What does that mean? If you hold the Maker token and you have a lot of Maker and say they're going to make a change on the protocol and you're like, hey, that change is kind of risky, that change is, I don't really like that, you can go and vote against that change, or you can vote for that change. You can vote for different things that the foundation, you know, you can just decentralized voting with this token. That's all I have to say. You know what I'm saying? And DAI is basically like the centerpiece of DeFi. One DAI equals $1. That's, you know, there's other stable coins out there, but as of right now, DAI is pretty much where, you know, where it's at. And you can earn DAI just from holding Maker. You can earn DAI just from holding DAI. You could earn money just from holding this token. So do your research on this, and I know it's a little bit complicated when you're first getting in, but trust me, the more and more you just start to watch it anyway, try to pick it up as you go. And I'll try to help you with that too. Just go ahead and subscribe and leave a like to help me get this channel out there so I can help more people get these gains in this bull run, or even before this bull run starts to kick off, which is right now. So the #1 token, not even the #2 token. I got two tokens basically. So here's one of them. They're in no particular order. Now this token I made a video about just about a month ago, and you can go ahead and watch that video. I'll leave a link in the description, and maybe I'll pop it up in the thing. But right now it's at 9 cents, and when I talked about it, it was at 2 cents. So I'm very happy. I'm very happy with this coin. Not only because my name is Jarvis and it's the Jarvis reward token, so it's like, here Jarvis, here's your rewards. That's how I felt this last 2 weeks with this token. And you know, I just think, man, you got to look at this token right now. It's moving up on Uniswap which is pretty interesting because earlier today it was only Uniswap was like kind of down here, so it's moving up on Uniswap, which means people are kind of figuring out about this token. And what is a Jarvis token? Go ahead and watch my video where I dived into it. But this token is bringing decentralized finance to everyone. Okay, that's what they all say. So what? You see Chainlink right there. You got Ethereum on the screen, but investors open leverage positions on markets such as Forex, indices, stock, and crypto. Forex is a big, huge market. Stocks, synthetic protocol on-chain trading. Self-issue any asset by depositing the same issue and DAI and swap them without a counterparty. What? Look, man, this type of stuff is what we get excited about in DeFi over here where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? And I think once people start hearing about this project more, maybe they do a little bit of marketing. Once they start dropping a couple gems in some of these bigger YouTubers videos and stuff, people are gonna be like, what? Look at these protocols. Why is everybody quiet about this? Well, because we were accumulating. So, and the number 2 token was gonna be Coti. I talked about this coin before also. It's up 15% today. That's pretty damn nice. The market cap is only $13 million, which is still a low cap gem because it's below our $40 million. We're calling it below 40 million in order to be a low cap. So it's on Binance, it's on KuCoin, pretty easy to get. It's also on BitMax, it's on BitThumb, so you can go ahead and check out the Coti token. And what is it? Go ahead and watch my video where I kind of go into it a little bit more, but it's the power grid of payments. That's what it is. You know what I'm saying? I'm just reading off the website. You can tell it's the power grid of payments. You know, I'm not really going to tell you what this thing is all about because I already made a video about it, but Coti Pay, and the reason why I'm liking Coti right now as my next pick as far as which one is going to go up is because of this. Where is it at? Because of not that. Where is it at? This. Coti has a lot of news coming up. Also, you know, the crypto market is very speculative right now, blah 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 blah. So fundamentals, yeah, they're gonna pump the market when these pumps come out, but it's all speculative. So when it goes up, it usually goes down, and that's because people are just looking for something to trade. But as more people start getting into this market and they start investing just for fundamentals alone, this coin right here is gonna have its own debit card. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna have multi-DAG implementation. It's gonna have all this stuff going on toward the end of this year, and for me, it's looking like a nice hold, midterm hold. Besides a lot of other coins are looking juicy right now, but these two are just at the top of my list that I wanted to bring to you guys to talk about. Coti, Jarvis reward token. Go ahead and check those coins out. Let me know what you guys think. Going down this list, I just want to say I like Maker, I like Synthetics, I like Aave. I used to hold Aave back in, you know, the price when I got it was super high. That was one of the coins that I lost so much money on. Uniswap, and to see it going back up is like cool. I sold it, but Aave, Uniswap, Kyber Network, I like all those. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. The advice I am giving you is don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't go and put your rent money on this whole thing. You never know what's going to happen. These are very risky assets, as you know. Everything is risky right now. Stock market is risky. Bonds are giving you nothing. But yeah, like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Until next time, peace.